folks, what's going on? Oregon Motorcycle here with another episode. It's a nice Saturday morning. It didn't start off too nice. In fact, it was pretty cold and wet. But we got on the other side of the volcano, so we're over here. I guess you could say kind of a high desertish area. But look at this view, man. This is magnificent. This is Oregon, guys. It's not just full of trees and woods and ferns and rain all the time. I mean, this is the other side of Oregon that I haven't shown you guys much of, but we're going to be playing out here this weekend. And we're headed down to Henderson Flats, OHV area, meeting up with my good buddy down there, Hobbs. And yeah, we're gonna camp tonight and have some fun, and I think he's bringing in a couple quads, and it's gonna be awesome. I think I'm about halfway there. The GPS says I have about another 50 minutes, and yeah, we're gonna go have some fun and play and do some camping, guys, so stay tuned. All right, we made it off the turnoff, off the main highway. We're a little bit north of Bend. This awesome country out here. It's nice to get to explore some new areas. And I'm glad it's not raining. It's a little windy out here though. There he is. What's up? Totally. What does this say here? No garbage service. Yeah, this is our camp spot here. Look at this view. Alright, I'm gonna go down there and get Hobbs. He's gonna drive his truck up here. So this is good practice here. Doing some more off-roading, and I got a lot of weight on the bike. I got all my stuff with me, so all my camping gear. There's an awesome spot up there. Alright, we found our camp spot. Look at that view. It's rad. I'm gonna get his truck situated, and then I'm gonna get my little spot situated. We got a table, everything. It's awesome. Holy cow. Whew. Yeah.
It's totally different than the it just like ease into the turns.
Is this thing still filming?
Yeah.
All right, cool.
Dude, it's fun though. Oh, she wants the top line.
Sweet. You gonna go first?
No, go for it, man. I'll keep up.
That was awesome. That was awesome. This thing's freaking sweet, dude. Oh my gosh.
Hello. Phone connected.
Damn. Hell no, it says black diamond, most difficult that way. Hell no. But it still says easiest this way. What the hell's a black diamond if this is easy? God. Jeez Louise. That's the easy stuff, huh? Definitely not the trail. Holy shit. It's a nice view up here. Super fun. Man, nice view up here. Shaping up to be a beautiful evening. So I'm getting ready to start a fire. I'm gonna see if I can cook my food over the fire. Here's some trash and some people left. So I'm gonna probably burn this, but I was over there chopping some wood and I'm like, I should probably show you guys. This thing actually does chop wood. It's kind of like, it's not the best axe, but I mean, it works. So if you guys are interested in this fold-up shovel, the link is down in the description below. This thing's pretty sweet. I like it. I just cleaned that fire pit out with this thing too. So look at this thing. This was like this before, but I'm gonna see if I can chop this branch off here. It's not the best axe, but it works. All right, extra firewood. I'm gonna see if I can chop the end of this tree off too. Use that for firewood also. We'll see what happens.